अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweez series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the remaining surah of Surah At-Takwir. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so please subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Fala uqsimu. فلا أقسم بالخنس فلا. So lam we long due to alif madda is there, and also on the alif madda this is madde munfasil we long 3 to 4 seconds. So we say fala uq. On this qaf we read in heavy sound, and also we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. In the scene we make the whistling sound and hums quality. Uqsimu bil khunnas. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Kha we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. On the noon there is shadda sign, we make ghunna, and when we stop on the scene, so again hums and safir quality will come. So we say bil khunnas. فَلَا أُقْسِمُ بِالْخُنَّسِ. And if you want to continue, so then this scene we connect with the jim, it will be بِالْخُنَّسِل. Okay, but right now we are stopping here, and when we stop from this place, so then this alif, on the alif we put a fatha sign, and that alif we connect with the lam. Al, it will be al. Al-jawaril kunnas. Al-jawaril kunnas. Hamza we connect with the lam for connecting. Al-jawa, waw we long due to alif madda is there. Ra we read in light sound. Al-jawaril kunnas. On the noon we make ghunna, and on the sin we make hums and safir quality. Al-jawaril kunnas. Wal-layli idha as'as. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا عَسْعَسَ. وَاللَّيْلِ. So this ya we read in soft sound, lam we read in light sound. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to alif madda. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. On the both scenes we make sifte safir and sifte hums as well, as we say as as, like the continuation of our breath in hums. As as. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا عَسْعَسَ. وَالصُّبْحِ إِذَا تَنَفَّسَ. وَالصُّبْحِ إِذَا تَنَفَّسَ. وَالصُّبْحِ. Sad we read in heavy sound. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. وَالصُّبْحِ إِذَا. Zal we long due to alif madda. On the fa we make hums quality, similar on the scene. Tanaffas. Was-subhi idha tanaffas. Innahu laqawlu. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Rasulin kareem. Innahu. On the noon there is shad sign, we make ghunna. Ha we long due to inward dhamma. Innahu laqawlu. Qaf we read in heavy sound, waw we read in soft sound due to lean letter. Laqawlu rasulin. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Sin we long due to waw madda. After the tanween the next letter is kaf, so we make ikhfa, which is the light ikhfa. Ra we read in light sound, and also we long due to ya madda. And when we stop on this place, so this double kasra will be skipped from here, and when only we stop here with sukun sign on the meme, as we say rasulin kareem. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Dhi quwwatin. عند ذي العرش مكين عند ذي العرش مكين. The zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. Quwwatin, qaf we read in heavy sound. On the waw there is shadda sign. We make nabar, like nabar means raise your voice on the waw for telling the listener that there is shadda sign on the waw. Quwwatin. Inshallah I will make a video on nabar soon, so you will understand about it more. Quwwatin, quwwatin, right? And after the tanween there is ain, we make izhar then, and then after the noon sakin there is dal, which is ikhfa sound. We make hide the sound of noon here. We say quwwatin inda dhil arshi. Dal we read in soft sound, ain we read from the middle of the throat. On the ra we read heavy sound, shin we read light. Arshi, dhil arshi makin. Kaf we long due to yamada and we stop, so this double kasra we skip. We say makin. ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين. ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين. مطاع ثم أمين. مطاع ثم أمين. مطاع. On the meme there is shadda sign. We make gunna when we connect makin with the muta'in, as we say makinim muta at that time. Otherwise we leave this shadda sign on the meme. Ta we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter alif, and also we long because there is alif madda after the tanween. The next letter is sa. We make ikhfa sound here. On the meme we make gunna, amin, and me we long due to ya madda. So we say muta'in thumma amin. وَمَا صَاحِبُكُمْ بِمَجْنُونٍ. وَمَا صَاحِبُكُمْ بِمَجْنُونٍ. Wama meme we long due to alif madda. Again swad we read in heavy sound, and also we long due to alif madda. Alif is also heavy there. Sahibukum, ha we read from the middle of the throat. After the meme sakin, the next letter is ba. We make ikhfai shafawi here, like the hiding sound of meme here. So we say sahibukum bi. Sahibukum bi. Majnoon. On the jim we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Noon we long due to waw madda, and when we stop here, so this double kasra again will be skipped, and we put only sukoon sign here. So we say wama sahibukum bimajnoon walaqad ra'ahu walaqad ra'ahu bil ufuqil mubin. بالأفق المبين. Walaqad, we do not long any letter here. Qaf we read in heavy sound. On the dal we make qalqala. Ra again in heavy sound. A we long due to alif madda on it. Walaqad ra'ahu. Walaqad ra'ahu bil ufuqil. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Ufuqil. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Again on the lam tawassut quality, like continuation of our sound little bit. B we long due to ya madda. So we say bil. So this is tawassut. Bil ufuqil mubin. Walaqad ra'ahu bil ufuqil mubin. وما هو على الغيب. وما هو على الغيب بضنين. بضنين. Wama meme we long due to alif madda. Huwa alal. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Ghain we read in heavy sound. This is yalin, we read soft sound as well. Alal ghaibi. Bidwani. Dwad again we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Ni we long due to ya madda. So we say bidwanin. Wama huwa ala al-ghaybi bidwanin. Wama huwa biqawli. Wama huwa biqawli shaytanir rajim. shaytanir rajim. Mim we long due to alif madda. Wa ma huwa biqawli. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Waw we read in soft sound due to waw lean. Biqawli shaytanir. On the sheen again tafashi and hams quality. On the ya we make soft sound, which is the ya lean here. Ta we read in heavy sound and also we long due to standing fatha on it. After the tanween, the next letter is ra. We make it the gham without ghunna, and ra we read in heavy sound. Jim we long due to ya madda. So we say shaytanir rajim. وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم. فأين تذهبون. فأين تذهبون. فأين, this is yalin, we read soft sound. Taz, on the zal we make a soft sound, and also here is a rakhawa quality, like the continuation of your sound, and we make the soft sound as well. Taz, taz, tazhabun. Ba we long due to waw madda. So do not make qalqala on the zal. Taz, that is wrong. Tazhabun. Okay, so we listen carefully how to say tazhabun. Tazhabun. فأين تذهبون. إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين. إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين. In huwa, after the noon sakin there is ha, we make izhar like the clear sound of noon. In huwa. Illa, la we long due to alif madda. On the zal we read soft sound. On the kaf shiddat and hams quality. Zik, zik. After the tanween there is lam, we make idgham without ghunna. Zikrul lil alamin. Ain we long due to standing fatha on it. Mim we long due to ya madda. So we say zikrul lil alamin. In huwa illa dhikrun lil alamin. Liman sha'a minkum. Liman sha'a minkum an yastaqim. An yastaqim. Liman sha'a. After the noon sakin there is sheen, we make ikhfa, which is the light ikhfa. Sheen we long due to alif madda, and also there is big mad sign, which is called madde muttasil. We long 4 to 5 seconds. Liman sha'a minkum. After the noon sakin there is kaf, we again make ikhfa. On the mim sakin we make izhar, which is called izhar shafawi. Minkum ay. After the noon sakin there is ya, we make idgham with ghunna. On the sin, hams and safir quality. Ta we read in light sound due to istifal letter. Qaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and also we long due to ya madda. An yastaqim. Liman sha'a minkum an yastaqim. وما تشاءون. وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله. إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين. Rabbul Alameen. Wama, mim we long due to alif madda. Sha'una, this is alif madda and also madde muttasil. So we long here 4 to 5 seconds. U we long due to waw madda. Wama tasha'una illa ain. Here is alif madda and also this is madde munfasil. We long 3 to 4 seconds. After the Nun Sakin there is Ya, we make idgham with Ghunna. Sheen again we long, this is Madde Muttasil here. Allah name we read in heavy sound because before the name of Allah there is Fatha on the Hamza. That's why if before the name of Allah you find a Fatha or Dhamma, so the name of Allah we read in heavy sound. Ra again we read in heavy sound due to Fatha sign on it, and Ain we long due to standing Fatha, Mi we long due to Ya Madda. And when we stop here it will be Madde Ariz. So we say وَمَا تَشَاءُونَ إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ رَبُّ الْعَالَمِينَ. So I hope you understand this lesson. I just repeat this complete lesson again. Listen carefully and try with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. فلا أقسم بالخنس الجوار الكنس والليل إذا عسعس والصبح إذا تنفس إنه لقول رسول كريم ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين مطاع ثم أمين وما صاحبكم بمجنون ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين وما هو على الغيب بضنين وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم فأين تذهبون إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.